The Maasai women of Kenya are overcoming an environmental hazard caused by an invasive prickly pear, transforming it into biogas and preserved fruits. Part of the cactus, called opuntia, is edible, but its outer layers are very harmful to livestock which try to graze on it. Here is a report from Laikipia.
The prickly pear is an attractive plant that is alluring to goats, cattle, and many wildlife that roam around Laikipia County in Kenya. But it is an invasive species and is disturbing the natural environment. Colonialists introduced the cacti in the early 1900s as a natural fence. Since then, it has spread, outcompeting native plants. 65-year-old herder Nayamadu Siranga has witnessed the devastation of the cactus firsthand, leading to the tragic loss of over 150 of his goats and sheep.
I once maintained a herd of more than 100 goats. Unfortunately, a series of losses ensued when they started consuming cactus plants, which led to mouth injuries, severe diarrhea, and ultimately the demise of my livestock. These circumstances have inflicted significant financial setbacks.
Now, a women's group in Laikipia County has transformed the problem into a new enterprise. They harvest the prickly pear and turn it into biogas that they can use in their homes. The group has 203 members who are now employed in converting the cactus pulp into fuel. This approach not only eradicates the cactus but also promotes environmental conservation and offers an alternative source of livelihood.
We came together because in Maasai culture, women do all domestic work and own nothing at home. So we want to empower ourselves, and I just believe that when you want to empower yourselves, you must come together, lobby for resources as we did as Twala women, and now we can manage the 40 acres of land that we get from the two community land. We are also able to manage natural resources, and that's why we also come with an idea of making biogas out of the cactus and also selling fruits and generate income that help us to educate our children.
The fruits from the cactus are edible for both humans and animals if separated from their sharp spines. The Twala women at Laikipia Permaculture use all parts of the fruit, creating a range of products including jams, cosmetics and juices. This generates an independent income for them.
We get the fruit from the women group, we wash them, we grind them to separate the pearl and the seed. The seed we put them in the dryer, which we grind them to get the oil. The oil we give it back to the women group, which they use to make the cosmetic, the shower gel, the body lotion, and the pearl we make the juice and the jam.
However, the group faces challenges in preserving the plant. Animals unwittingly facilitate the spread of this invasive plant.
The elephant are a big challenge. They eat a lot of opuntia, and what can happen is the fruit that they pick, and they're very clever at picking off the fruit from the and separating it from the spiny thorns. But the fruits are covered in small hairs as well. So if the elephant's young and has a sensitive gut, the hairs on the fruit can irritate the gut lining, create diarrhea, and sometimes even irritation in the gut.
Teams now use heavy machinery to uproot the cactus, transferring it to designated areas and burying it in deep pits to minimize carbon emissions during decomposition. This strategy results in fertile zones where native plants can regenerate and flourish. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.